Hello and welcome to another update video about the DXY. We don't have much change. Actually, there's no change to the last update. It's just going the way we thought it might go, and that is this is a valid count, this larger ABC to the upside as long as we're holding the $101.64 level. Let's talk about the two scenarios we have. Basically, there are three, and they all lead to the same result at the moment. The idea is that off this September 22 high, we came down in an A wave. That's the first scenario. Moved up in a B wave. B wave is a bit too shallow. Yeah, bit too shallow. So the idea is, okay, in this first scenario, B wave could have topped here. And now we are moving down in a C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first scenario. But to confirm that, it would need to break below 101.64, below that 78.6 retracement level. But it will take price down lower into the $90 region. Let's see where we get to. Low $90 region, yeah. In the second scenario, we just draw it a little bit differently and would say, okay, this B wave actually is a triangle and would end somewhere here. And the count would be unchanged. A wave down here, yeah, and then just the B wave is an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Triangles consist of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. And we would need now a lower high. And if it now makes a lower high, we're heading to the downside. Also here, confirmation that it's breaking to the downside, 101.64, I think would be a really good indication. And confirmation below that swing low at $100.80. Also pointing to the downside. And the last scenario, and actually I'm leaning towards that at the moment, because it would give me a more healthy B wave, is this one. Just need to relocate the A wave. And I would say we get a higher B wave in this white wave count, A, B, C. It would at least allow to give a higher B wave. But in all cases, as soon as we break below 101.64, I think a further move down is rolling. And that would be an indication, and the confirmation is as soon as we break below $100.80. So as you can see also here, there's not much in there. I mean, the idea is that here in this C wave, we talked about in the previous video, maybe $108. That's one of the relevant Fibonacci extension levels where that C wave could go to. If I take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B, yeah, roughly $108. The 1.618 extension, certainly a likely target. It doesn't even need to get there. The 100% extension is already enough theoretically at 105.86, but it would still be a very shallow B wave. So generally, the 1.618 extension here would be preferred. The only reason why I prefer this scenario is because it would give us a decent B wave in terms of a retracement. Because if I draw the retracement zone to the B wave as I had it in the first count, it only reached basically the 38.2 retracement here, yeah, not even. So very, very shallow B wave. Now, if we say the B wave goes a little higher, and I just need to make a tiny adjustment, no, that's all good. Then at least with the $108 level that we talked about, it would reach the 50% retracement. It would give me a healthier B wave. It's literally, there is not much difference in terms of probabilities among all these scenarios, but have you noticed that they all point to the downside, and just the, at the moment, preferred scenario would allow for a little more upside. But also here, we need to pay attention to the 101.64 level here, the 78.6 retracement. And yeah, on the way up, next major resistance area is around the $104 range, yeah, here. This top. If we get above the 104.70 level, then I think we have a confirmed C wave going to $108. Until then, it could be any one of them, but the idea is that eventually we're going to turn down now, and that's where we need to be observing really the lower time frame for clues when this local uptrend is ending. And if we are drawing, I mean, this is really, there's not enough information what this is, but if it breaks below this significant swing low here, which is at 102.35, I think then we have a first indication on a lower time frame that this is breaking down. Yeah, that's my update about the DXY. I hope you liked the update. If you did, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.